Hello friends. In this video, we will learn about what to do with non-conforming product. We will also learn hierarchy of action for control of non-conforming product. For example, you are a manufacturer of bottled drinking water, as per taste and quality defined by customers. Assume that you have received an order from Hotel Group to supply 5,000 number of bottles of drinking water every day, with following quality parameters. pH shall be 7.2 to 7.5 and TDS shall be 200 mg per liter, maximum. Subsequent to order, you have started the production of bottled drinking water. After production, quality control has rejected the whole quantity of drinking water produced, because TDS is 210 mg per liter. It is expected below 200 mg per liter as per Hotel Group. Yes, it is called non-conforming product. What to do with 5,000 drinking water bottles? First, inform to customer. Try to convince customer that TDS is little higher than expected level. If customer is agree, it is excellent opportunity. Second, offer discount. If Hotel Group is not agree to accept the bottled drinking water with TDS 210, offer discount and delivery the product to Hotel Group. Third, explore alternate customer. If quality of bottled drinking water is significant to Hotel Group, the offer of discount may not work. You may try to explore alternate customer, who may accept bottled drinking water, with TDS about 250 mg per liter. Fourth, rework. If alternate customer is not available, you may find way to reduce TDS from 210 to below 200 mg per liter. After rework, check again TDS level and ensure that it is below 200 as per Hotel Group, before making the delivery. Fifth, disposal. If rework is technically or commercially not viable, the product needs to be disposed of as per legal provision. You may use the water for cleaning, gardening, offer to charity, offer to animal, etc. Why not rework? Most industries believe that if product is not matching with specified criteria, rework is the solution. Rework is always costlier effort, because of following reasons: cost of additional electricity, cost of additional manpower, cost of raw materials and utility. You need to stop original production in order to execute rework. Hence it is a big loss as well. Your profit margin gets shrink by rework. Clause 8.7 of ISO 9001/2015 has defined 4 different actions to deal with non-conforming product. But hierarchy of actions is very much significant. We conduct Integrated Management System Lead Auditor course, based on quality, environment, and occupational health and safety. Yes, it covers 3 standards in one course, because almost 90% requirements are common in nature. It is time and money saving opportunity. Lead Auditor courses are ASCB UK accredited, in association with training partner, Concept Business Excellence Private Limited. For more video, visit us on YouTube channel and subscribe.